Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome search engine. And in this video, I will show you on how to change the first search engine from Google Chrome to any other type of search engine. So currently, just like what you see right here, I'm using Google Chrome search engine. However, you might decide to switch from Google Chrome search engine to another search engine. How do you do that? Come to the top right here, go ahead and click on these three dots. Then scroll down right here until you get to settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search engine. So here we go. We have Google as our search engine right here. Go ahead and click on change, and this is going to come up. You can switch from Google to Bing search or Yahoo search to Pro and Yandex. As at the time of making this video, about 5 different search engines go to any one of them. Like for instance, if I want to switch to Microsoft Bing, I'll pick up Microsoft Bing, and I'll go ahead and make sure I set as default. You can see Bing is now your search engine default. So if I go ahead and create a new tab from the upside right here, then you find out that we have a new search engine, just like what you see right here. So you can see this is a Bing search engine right from Chrome right here. We can decide to switch from Bing to another one. So let's go back to settings right here. Change. So you can decide to switch to Yahoo search. Go ahead and click on Yahoo. Set as default. Yahoo is now your default search engine. By the time I come back right here, you find out that we have Yahoo search right here. You can go on and switch from different search engine right here in Chrome browser without any stress. You want to go back to your Chrome search engine, come back to your settings right here. You can change, then go back to your Google and it's set as default. Google is now your default search engine, just like what you see right here. I come back right here, I open this tab, my Google Chrome search is back. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about search engine like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.